AP police arrested former Telugu Desam Party MLA JC Prabhakar Reddy on Saturday at his residence in Banjara Hills. Anandapur police have also taken Prabhakar Reddy's son JC Asmith Reddy into custody. Police are now shifted them to Anantapur district from Hyderabad. It is alleged that JC Prabhakar Reddy has sold BS3 vehicles that have been registered in the name of BS4 vehicles. Nearly 154 vehicles have been registered in Nagaland by creating fake documents. According to the source, police have arrested JC Prabhakar Reddy and his son over fake NOC and fake insurance cases. 24 cases have been registered on JC Travels and 27 cases have been filed against JC Travels at Anantapur and Tadipatri police stations. Anantapur police said that they have arrested JC Prabhakar Reddy after issuing notice to them. With the arrest of JC Prabhakar Reddy, high tension created in the district of Anantapur and Tadipatri. Police have increased their presence at various places in both the districts. It is alleged that there is no information about 31 buses and investigation is going on. Buses are playing with the same number plates in the 4 states Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Receiving a complaint from JC Divakar Travels manager Nageswar, police have registered case on 4 other people. Earlier, lorry owners have protested in front of Prabhakar Reddy's house as he has been accused of illegally using the lorry engine numbers and is resulted in the seize of these lorries. The Andhra Pradesh state government has already written to the centre to take action on this issue. After investigation, police will produce JC Prabhakar Reddy and his son in front of the court.